You're living a lie. That's why this true hurt. I love you. Reflection. I love you. But you can't receive it. Ask yourself why you can't receive the love that I'm giving. Equals true. Ask yourself that question. You're afraid to question, huh? You're afraid to question. Because they instilled that in you. They instilled that fear. I see fear when I see y'all in the comments with this religious shit. See what I'm saying? I see it for what it is. Just because you don't see it for what it is, that don't mean we can't see. Namaste. I share. Peace, family. Much gratitude for y'all tuning in. This is about love. This is about one love. Unity, no separation. We are bringing the people together. We are coming back together because we understand that God is togetherness, no separation. So what are y'all doing? Ask yourself that question. Why is you against togetherness? Why are you against love?